everyone, it's Hillary and welcome back for another Creative Faith video. Today I am going to show you guys this notebook that I have been using to pray at church. So I work full-time at our church and I've worked there for, I just finished 5 full years. Kind of crazy. And this summer I was feeling super overwhelmed. We had just a lot going on at church. And so one of the things that I started doing is praying every day, not every day, but a lot of days I write out a prayer in here. And I will link this notebook. It's available on Amazon. It is dot grid and it is 8.5 by 5.5. And this is my planner where I keep track of my hours for work. So I write down, I'm not paid hourly, but they can want me to keep track of my hours for work. And so I write them down in here. And one of the cool things, I'll link this planner down below too. You can get it on Amazon. But one of the cool things about it is that there are yearly trackers up at the front. And so I was thinking as I was setting this up, what do I want what are kind of my goals for work? And I wanted to start praying before I started work each day. And so you can see I started doing it in July. I'm not perfect, but these days spent in prayer are better than no days spent in prayer. So, I wanted to show you guys this, so I will link this on Amazon down below, and I have a setup video showing how I decorated it and things like that I'll link down below too. So today, what I wanted to do, I also wanted to show you guys, so this is just a plain dot grid notebook that I've been using for prayer journaling, but I did recently launch a new fall gratitude and prayer journal. And so the front part is a spot to write things you're thankful for, and the back part is a prayer journal. And so I probably would jump into this, but I really want to finish this notebook before I start. I'm going to use this for not church, but I really wanted to finish this notebook before starting anything else. And so but I did just want to show you guys this. If you like prayer journaling, this is a really great resource to pick up. And I'll link this down below on Amazon. I love watching YouTube videos, and I wanted to show you guys this channel. It's Una Voz para Dios, which is one voice for God. And I watched this video, which I'll link down below. It was her setting up she calls it it's basically a notebook that she uses for prayer journaling. There's my reflection. And I'll link this video down below, but she made like a September cover page, basically is what it was. And so I thought that would be kind of fun to do in here, even though some of them have already been in September, but that's okay. So I was going to make this my September cover page in here, and then I was going to decorate like 10 or 15 pages in here because I kind of like to pre-decorate, so then when I get to church I just write out my prayer. But I like decorating it because I think it looks pretty. So I have kind of all my fall stuff over here. I have a bunch of fall printables that I've cut up that I want to use, and some cute washi tape and fall washi tape. I found these stickers at Michael's. I have these little tile stickers. I want to add prayer at the top there, and I want to add the word prayer here, and maybe decorate this page too, or this page. I don't know. We'll see. And then this is a binder with all of my fall printables. I will link in the description box below. I have a blog post that has all of my fall products and printables. So I'll link that blog post for you guys to check out if you like anything that I'm sharing and showing here. So before I start decorating, I wanted to do a flip through of this. So in the front, I have this pocket from the Planner Society, and I just have some washi tape in here that I can use to decorate at church. And it says journal, has a little spot where to find us online, and a little note from me to you. And so my first time using this was in May, and I used it before a live video that I did in a Facebook group. And this is my Desert Days artwork printable, little cactus that I'll link in the description box below. And then these were some prayer requests from that live. And so I just use stickers and washi tape and printables basically, or sometimes none of that. So that was just ballpoint pen. But it's really fun to flip back through, and it's just been really good for me to start each day in prayer. That has been really helped me to be intentional in anchoring and just presenting the day to the Lord. And almost done. You can see I really like flower stickers. This is my butterfly printable in my Etsy shop that I'll link in the description box below. So it was fun to use that to decorate. And yeah. So I'm going to do a September cover page here and then decorate like 10 or 15 pages over here. And then I'll come back and show you guys what I made. All right, here is a flip through. So I added prayer to the front. It was hard to pick a color. And then I love how this turned out. It's like this really cool kind of collage page full of stickers and printables and pretty washi tape. So I really love how this page turned out. And then I'll flip to, here's where September starts. So I used a paper pad that I got from, what store? Michael's. And this is the paper pad that the YouTube video I referenced, actually she used this to set up her September prayer journal, and I just love how it turned out. I used my Floral Pumpkins printable, which I will link down below, as well as my Fall Floral Mugs printable, and I just love how that turned out. And I think this is my favorite spread, so I think I did 12 total pages, prepped and ready to go. So I just added washi tape, and then this is from my Desert Days scripture reading plan printable that I'll link down below. And again, that's the Fall Floral Mugs and the Fall and the floral pumpkins. These are some stickers that I had in my stash. These are the ones that I got from Michaels. And these two are from my fall mugs printable from last year that I'll link down below. This is my fall Pajama Girls printable and my fall planner spread and word printable. And I really, really like this spread too. And I'll link those two in the description box below. This one I used the fall Wrong Girls and some washi tape. I really like the washi tape on the tops and bottoms. And then, oh, this is another favorite. So I used the pumpkins and the fall floral mugs again, and more washi tape, and then these little stickers. And that is my September prayer journal setup for work, for my job at the church. So definitely check out the printables, all the fall printables that I linked in the description box below. If you love prayer journaling, be sure to pick up a fall gratitude and prayer journal book on Amazon, or at the time I'm filming this, I do still have some kits left in my Etsy shop that I'll link down below too. And yeah, just encourage you guys to spend time in prayer during this month. God's going to use it to draw you closer to Him and encourage you and fill you up. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell notification so you don't miss out on any Creative Faith videos. And I do have a whole prayer journal blog post that has various videos that I did. I think it was back in the spring. I did a whole prayer journaling series, and where I talk about how to prayer journal, why to prayer journal, and stuff like that. So definitely check out that blog post for more, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!